Howdy folks, welcome to Cocktails on the Farm. I'm Chad Butters, the CEO and founder of Eight Oaks Farm Distillery, and today we're going to be making the blueberry patch. For the blueberry patch, what you're going to need, of course, is fresh blueberries. You can use frozen if you need to. Fresh cut lime for lime juice, some fresh mint, a little bit of simple syrup, some fresh tonic, whatever your favorite brand is, and of course some Eight Oaks Farm Distillery gin. So to get started, we're just going to take a handful or two of the fresh blueberries. We'll take the juice of half of a lime, some of the fresh mint, and we're just going to muddle that together. Once you get all those ingredients nice and mixed and muddled together, we can just take about a half an ounce of simple syrup. We'll do 2 ounces of Eight Oaks Farm Distillery gin, and we'll just give this a stir. Add some ice, and then top it with your tonic. Garnish with a little fresh mint, and that's the blueberry patch. For recipes or to order spirits online, you can check out our website, and be sure to check us out on social pages as well. Cheers.